Hey guys, I'm just sorting out my mic quickly. I'm not my mic, my camera quickly, and then there's nothing on table for us as yet. So the moment we have something, we will go live. Shit, man, it's wrong, yeah. Okay, I'll get back to that in a second. Let me quickly see, quickly confirm with me guys. How's the sound? Can you guys hear me? Okay, so you guys can hear that. I just wonder why my webcam isn't picking up. That is really odd. Ah, let me quickly see. Um, I don't know. I'm still figuring all this out, guys. So just give me a second. I don't know what's happening, why that's happening like that, but it's all good. It's all good. We will we'll just get back to that in a second. But let's quickly look at what the market's doing. So that is basically boom. We marked out over there, and let's look at what the other pairs are doing. So boom 1000. Okay, we did boom 1000 now. Let's move to boom 500. Oh, this thing is just dropping, so I don't think we're gonna get anything here on boom for the session, because just based on how price is moving, it's quite a tricky spot for us to just basically sell from. I would have to see some sort of Asian highs be swept, and currently they've taken out the Asian lows, meaning the Asian highs on the table. So it's hard for me to say it's gonna happen on boom right now. At the moment, I would have to see price first do its thing. So we can see currently over here, lower low, there was a demand zone left over here at this level. So with that said, that's what Steppy's doing. Is there anything specific you guys want me to look at? Just let me know. Any synthetics you guys want me to look at specifically? We will definitely cover them. Like we said over here, Asian high is still untested. Only concern is how these prices have moved. Okay, so I still need to see either a high or a low swept on this price. So initially we still have this demand zone all the way down here. And then I want to see them sweep this liquidity. Okay, we're having some movements there. That random kid V75. Okay, we will also look at V75. Also guys, please like and subscribe to the stream. It will really mean a lot to me. And also let us like and subscribe so we can push this video to more traders on the algorithm. This is very odd, man. Why is my video camera not picking up? This will be the last day. We experienced some issues on here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now that we have that sorted out. There we go. Okay, I think I can remove this. There we go, guys. I think we should be fixed up now. Okay, so V75 and jumped in. Got you guys. Sorry, that was just bothering me. Just wanted to sort that out. Okay, now I can feel much better and actually concentrate here without feeling like I'm not being professional. Okay, so V75. Clearly we are on a bearish trend over here, so we can see price basically forming lower lows. And I think we just also discussed it this morning. So look at the 4 hour real quick what we have on the table. So initially break over here, there was that tap in, price respected that zone, giving us that reaction from that level. Okay, so with that said, let's flip to the 1 hour. So initially we want to continue targeting those weak lows. Let's go to the 15 minute. I just want to double check something out. There we go. Now it feels like there's much more order here. Okay, so V75. Let's mark out the Asian session. So Asian low, Asian high still untested. See you guys, it's Mondays, new week, new year, not new year, new quarter. So it's interesting to see what price is going to do over here. Let's go on the 1 hour. Spotlight liquidity. So it's hard to say. We do have this zone over here and we have this zone over here. So we'll just see what price does once we get to these liquidity points. And then also let's go to the 15 minute just to mark out that supply zone in case like we also know where price wants to actually go tap into for us to have that reaction. So I'll keep it very simple. I'll just mark out these last two candles. So there's the supply, and then there we have a very tight fair value gap. So it's a quick one on the okay, so we're gonna wait for price to get to that level. And then what was the other comments we had over there? Jumped in. Let's look at jumped in as well. Okay, so price in a bullish trend. We can see market is bullish. So let's flip to the 4-hour. So if you look at what happened over here to the left, yeah, so quite a long way up. That will be our target. Currently, let's see what's happening over here. It's the open price heading towards the upside. So initially we're looking for sells. So we can see price to break below that level. Oh, very interesting what's happening on jumped in. So I would say the blood river. Jumped in for me currently is in a very weird position. So you could potentially see this as liquidity, but the thing is now you're bullish on the pair. Low, high, price broke above the box. So let's see quickly in the 1 minute what's happening. Okay, so that doesn't count. So initially, let's go to a bigger time frame. Okay, let's see if this demand zone over here is going to hold. Otherwise, we have to see a flip come through here. But okay, let's get it. Okay, let me just quickly, while we are waiting here, update some of the members that we are live. I don't think they know that we're actually live. Oh guys, we only need 6 more subscribers, then we have reached the 750 mark for 750 subs. Massive milestone for me. Once again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, because yeah man, this really feels unreal. So let's keep on sharing. Hey Vince, my weekend was very good, man. Been working very hard the last few weeks, putting in the work. Been very motivated, and it's not gonna stop anytime soon, guys. I'm pretty sure maybe Chris will talk to you guys about it. I don't want to jump the gun just yet, but I'm gonna become very busy the next few weeks, and yeah, man, we have to put in this work. But how about you, Vinci? How was your weekend? Hey Eti, welcome. Yeah, guys, let's hit those likes. Let's subscribe. Let's actually see. Let's see quickly who liked and who subscribed. Getting some reactions here on Boom. Look at the little spike there. Let's see what we can get. So step still in the range. Boom 1000 still holding. Still waiting here on jumped in. And then nothing yet on V75. What else can we trade? There's so many things on here we can trade. Let's see what Crash 300 is doing. Oh, it's been moving. I don't think we're gonna get anything there. It's been going up. Okay, that's a no-no for us there. There's no way we can get in there now. This thing literally moved. Since yesterday, this thing has moved. It has moved almost 300 pips. Almost 300 pips. No, I'm wrong. Almost 400 pips. So the smallest lot size possible, trading that here with Crash and Boom, you'd have made $200. Lance, you have to send me your username so I can give you access. Dion, so there is some prop firms that I've been looking at with synthetics, but I haven't seen any payouts as yet. So I'm still waiting to actually decide what I can do. Right now at the moment I trust personal funds the most when it comes to synthetics, but once I have some news, we will see from there. Ash, thanks for joining in, my man. Like and subscribe. They share the link. Andreas, I did not take Boom. I don't buy Boom. I only sell Boom, and I only sell Boom. I only buy Crash. Let's see what else we have on here. What's another good pair I used to trade? V100 one is. Let's see. Interesting what's happening here. Hey Brit, what's up, my man? Thank you for joining in. Always love it when I see some familiar faces here. Okay, lovely. See you guys have liked, you guys have subscribed. Awesome stuff. So if you look at what happened over here, break below. So technically this is the demand zone. And then here's that fair value gap. So price almost came into that level. So I see this as liquidity down here. And this is also Asia low. So Asian highs has been swept. Interesting. So targeting week lows. Let's see quickly on the. So nothing I can do here. I have to wait as well. Might just have a slow day here, guys. We might just have a slow day. Beautiful entry at V100 earlier. Oh yeah, guys. Let's look. Let's see what happened at V100. Yeah, it's a pity that thing. Oh, look at that. Beautiful reaction there from Boom. Let's see if we can. Let's see if Boom can boom. Let's see if Boom can boom. Volatility 100. Yo, is this morning's entry? Yo, guys. Yo, guys. This is a trade of us earlier. I think we executed. Yeah. Not mistaken. Can't remember. But damn, look at that. We should have held it. Damn, but okay. Can't say that. We can't say that. Okay, let's see for potential buys later. I want to see them sweep these lows. Can you guys hear that? I want to also say something's wrong. I'm banging this music in my ears. That's why I can't hear anything. This is why I have you guys here, chat. So you guys can complain to me if there's any problems. I can fix it. But that should be much better now, eh? There shouldn't be so much noise on the background. Andreas, Asian session. I'm gonna type it for you as well. Asian session, South African time, 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Yeah, I literally stay next to the freeway, so when we moved in here, we didn't realize how loud it was until our first night, and it's like, I almost said something, but I was like, yo, it's loud, man. And obviously we already paid the money by then, so we didn't want to do anything. Beautiful here on Boom, guys. Beautiful reactions we're having here on Boom. Beautiful order flow, actually. We can see it's just the zone which prices lift as the demand. And we can see price came into that level the first time, holding it nice. And there we had this is why I don't buy Boom, because look here on this order block what price did, how it went through, and look how the profit action we had here. So it's just one of those things. Boom, 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 boom. Jump index rejecting. Okay, guys, get ready. We actually might have missed this. Now I'm thinking about it. Okay, no, not necessarily. I'll maybe execute here. So this will be a okay. We can go for 10 pip stop on here. No, actually 8 pip stop. Only 8 pips. It looks a lot, but it's only 8 pips. It's only 8 pips. So I'm actually gonna do is I'm place a little sell limit at this level. Okay, looking at this now, it looks so big on the phone. The stop. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, maybe we can go for 7.5 instead of 7.5 instead of 8. So like that. Id, you just blew your first river count. What did you trade? What did you trade? Andreas, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, awesome. Sorry about that, guys. I'm with the noise. But once again, guys, please share the link, the stream with your fellow traders. I mean, it's free. I'm trying to empower you guys with the knowledge I have here. This is what, like, I know everyone obviously trades what works for them, but this is what works for me. This is where I made my first 100,000 rand. You know, so I feel like I have enough experience to speak on it. So yeah, share the link with your friends, traders, and let's create more traders. Let's get my channel popped up in the algorithm so that we can reach more traders and do much bigger things. I'm actually gonna do this. I think it's best that I do this. Oh, but then you can't see the thingy. Hey Ed, so who say you what did you trade with the rev? Let's see if we can get tapped in for the session. Let's see if we can get tapped in. Guys, please remind me. I'm gonna request you guys please remind me and also help me keep track for an update by this weekend, so we can put like a scoreboard on the stream to show exactly how many trades we've taken for the week, how many wins, how many break evens, how many losses, so that like literally we have something to reference to the whole time. Oh damn, man, and tell me we missed this. I think actually you guys can also it's alright, it's alright. I'm gonna get a drink quickly. Okay, let's see if we can get here on this market. I would love to see boom spike up, man. I want to see boom spike up. The stronger the spike, the better. Volatility 100. Sure, yani in. That's also why I was like, that's also earlier when we took it, when I was like, I would rather close it, because like I mentioned earlier, we took the trade and then it's like my stop is like all the way like up here and I can't do anything about it, and then as we go to profit I can only trail little by little. So like with the amount of risk that was open on the account, but also Ed, where did you enter? What price did you enter? I'm still waiting for that step buy from this morning. Where's step index? So yeah, I'm still waiting for step. But the fact that literally this is now London lows per se, I want to see it get swept. I'm not gonna buy at that level anymore. So each session drives new liquidity, and then yeah, okay, when price gets here, we'll delete the pending order, because then it's rammed out us, and I mean from there till there that's like 20 pips, so why would I, you know. Oh, Slushy, welcome my brother, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Sure, Ed, that sucks, bro. If I may ask, what was the balance? Did you trade with a $10 account? Come on, man. Trade down. Trade down. Come down. Come down. Entered view at 12.50, 12.85. 12.85. Whew, nice. Nice. So, are you still holding? Blood River, are you still holding? Yeah, sure, I'm too lazy today. Smoke a Zaza, someone took the day off as well. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I feels like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. Had a nice little conversation there with Chris, and yeah, man, it was, yeah. I feel good, man. This is so Dion says also blow accounts because of lot size synthetics. I think that's how they make money. That's exactly why the Rift. That's what they do. They do that for a reason. This is why I said in the other streams that please go on a demo account. Take the smallest lot size possible. Place a trade. Let's say you trade with the 0. Let's say it gives you 0.20. Then obviously if it's 0.20, it must either make $2 or $20, right? When you see it makes $2, for instance, based off the lot size. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. So let's say, for instance, you go look at your pair, right? Let's say the smallest lot size they give you is a 0.20, right? The only thing you want to take note of at that moment is what number is involved there. So here we can see it's a 2. So technically that 2 will now tell us a lot about that lot size. So now let's say, for instance, you take a trade with that, and now your profit equals $2, for instance. What I then do is I go look at my entry compared to how far price has moved, and I measure how far that move was in order to be $2, and that's how I learned how to count pips. And mind you, it didn't happen overnight. It didn't happen overnight. So you guys will have to put the work in there for yourselves, because it's easy for me to stand here and explain it to you, but if you don't see it for yourself, it's like me telling you how to drive a car, but you don't drive a car yourself, you know. This thing is leaving us. I had 5 USD on the one account, literally 2 days when it survived. This is so this is one of the rules I have. See what you said there? See what you said there? $5. If only I had 2 more. If only I had 2 more. The smallest account I will trade with the River is a $7 account. Hey, I don't know. Welcome, my man. Welcome. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Oh, guys. Oh, I think we got activated there. We should be activated. Shoot, that was quick. That was quick. Oh, damn. That was fast. That was very fast. Sure, I didn't expect it to happen like that. And that was already a 1 minute candle. Because it jumped. Yeah. Jump index. I don't know, we just got tapped in there on jumped in. There's the stop. Okay, let's start looking for the way to manage this trade. Oh, damn. Okay, so any break below this level, okay, let's see. I was 10 seconds away from leading limit, walking away now. Activated your side. Okay, perfect. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's see. Let me quickly count. Yeah, every 10 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I want to see it in profit, yeah, in 10 minutes. Otherwise, I'm gonna close it. Nathan, I wouldn't say no, but also wouldn't say yes. But yeah, I am doing my things more independently now. And Chris and Keegan obviously doing the 2Gs on their own. Other pairs are doing, so price trading back above that level. Okay. I'll be right back, okay guys? Just give me like few seconds. I'll be right back. Sorry, it's different obviously because I'm the only one streaming. It's not the same like on like on with Chris them, where obviously if one walks away, flip over to another screen. Hopefully eventually when I have someone streaming with me, that will be different. But just give me 1 second quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, that's alright. How price is moving so far. Okay, I saw some comments here now. Andreas, I bought Boom. If that was me, would I be holding? My thing is, I wouldn't buy Boom in the first place, because the thing is, these spikes happen so randomly. This thing can literally do this, and then suddenly spike. Literally, so on my end, I wouldn't take risks like this on Boom, because other thing is also, if you do want to do it, because you don't know when it spikes, now you have to place a bigger stop loss than what you usually would, compared to if you trade the opposite move. Because look at it this way, let's say price is trading down, right? Let's say this move down, just an example, okay, just an example. Let's say this was support here, and now you buy, right? Now it says the low. Now you have to put your stop way further, because you don't know when it's going to spike. So now when it spikes, it's going to trade down again. Whereas, for instance, if it spikes, I know if it spikes, it's gonna go down, so I can put a tight stop, for instance. Understand? So I wouldn't be buying it. I wouldn't be buying it. Okay, so we're still waiting on this pair here to see what we can actually do. At least want to see price. So basically, we have a spike every 10 ticks on this thing. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's every 10 ticks. So we should start seeing a reaction around here. Either we will be stopped out, or we're going to be deeper into profit. And then also there, Lance. Nah, trading seems more relaxed on the 9.5. Analyze and wait. Then look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like I was saying. You see what happens when you study a pair. Okay, I'm going to start managing. I'm going to move the stop there halfway to the high of the day, just to minimize that risk a bit. Okay, so that was 10 minutes. It's a spike. So now let's measure out 10 more minutes from here, basically. So now the next level will be over here. Either deeper into profit, so we can go break even, or we're going to be stopped out. Number 1 or 2, Jeff. Oh no, none of them. Nah, trust me, guys. If I want to go pee, I'll tell you. If I want to go take a shit, I'll tell you. I'm not shy. We're all human. W. Thank you, Arnu. Thank you, man. Let's just at least go 1-1 before we get some W's there in the chat. Nothing else on the table, yeah. Okay, so I would love to, but I don't trust. I'd rather wait for price to come to that demand zone, and I'm already in here now, so I don't have too much exposure. And I already have other trades open as well, so I don't want to have too much going on. Okay, let's see quickly how this 5-minute candle looks. No, here, guys. I'm gonna move my stop. Yeah, we up 1-1. So I'll move my stop there, literally on the high of that wick, just to minimize that risk. Oh, damn it, man. There we go, guys. Let's get some W's in the chat. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. There we go. Yeah, Ed, I'm also break even. Ed, so my ITP is, it's up to you. You can go for 1, 2, 3, but I'm gonna take it here basically at these lows, so the London lows. That's where I'm gonna take it. Look at that thing. Look at that thing just dropping there. Shoo! Nah. What a way to start off these streams, man. What a way to start off these streams. W's, 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 man. Nah, guys, that was beautiful. I'm gonna close here. That was the easiest, one of the easiest trades I've ever taken. Right over there, lock it in for almost a 1-2, but just the way it moved, I love it. So I closed it. Easy. I don't know why is the tune so sag. Let me make the tunes a bit louder. I think it should be better now. Quickly let me know. How's it now? Yeah, Lance, I'm probably gonna sort out the scoreboard later tonight or something. I'm gonna ask Mo to help me. But yeah, man. So Andreas, no final TP. I closed that trade. That was easy. Guess the takeout is paying for itself tonight. No, I'm joking. Don't waste your money like that, guys. You don't want to waste your money like that. Still soft. Let's see. Let's see if we do this. Is it louder now? I don't know. Let me know if it's loud enough. Okay. Quick one. Literally liquidity sweep. Turtle soup. Done. This one over here also might buy, but I wouldn't take it here. Respected the fair value gap. And over here, you might see buys coming in. But I'm not gonna take it. Nah, guys, you guys have to share the link. We've just been handing out profits this week on the stream. Just profits. I think that was the 5th trade we took, ne? 5th trade that we profit. Obviously now boom doesn't. Okay, I wouldn't say it doesn't count, but it was a small stop hit off stream. So, but still. I think if you look at it from a percentage standpoint, 80% win rate. A bit better, okay. A bit better. See, this is why I say, guys, if you understand what you're trading, there's no need for you to fear anything. Let's go look at what the other jumpies are doing. Jump 25. So price is bullish. So nothing here. So nothing here yet. So Ed, please send me a screenshot. Guys, if you guys took this trade, please send me screenshots of the profits. You can tell me if I should hide your name and so forth. It will obviously help me for marketing purposes. So please send me those screenshots. I also want to see the profits you guys made. I want to see these accounts being flipped. I want to see us all win. This is why I started this, because look how easy it is, man. Look how easy it is. So I'm looking, this is gonna be, these streams are gonna be insane, man. Let's see what the overall trend is. So overall trend looks bullish. Let's see if there's gonna be a similar setup like we had now. You guys have seen me execute the same way, the exact same way in all these pairs ever since we started. So if anyone says that synthetics they don't work, they move different, because there is a market maker, it's so much easier to understand. Could see price flip here. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. But it will be nice to see reaction on here as well. Every 100 ticks. So every 100 ticks. Oh, sorry, this is 50. So every 50 ticks, we will have a move here. So you'll see. Look there. 47, 48, almost 50. Look at the spike over here. Okay, so if we go back a bit after consolidation, so spike, 50 minutes, a spike comes in. Easy peasy. So this one could easily only pump, yeah, this time. Lovely. Let me check it out. Oh, Ed, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Account is doubled. Beautiful. Nah, that's what I love seeing, man, guys. And if you guys do post it online on socials, please do tag me as well. I would appreciate that. And the thing also, like I said, with these pairs, man, they move so lekker, man. It traded okay, it's not the smallest lot size, but yeah, the idea is there. Beautiful Ed, man, beautiful. Proud of you. So Ed, for instance, what I would now do, if I was you, you see on the account, you see you doubled it, you doubled it, but you see there's an extra 3. That extra 3, I now see my account only as that extra 3. You see, the profit, the deposit, I don't see that. So I only now focus on that 3, and that way, like I keep the risk so small. But I know now the next trade, for instance, will add like 50 to 100% more profit on the account again. That's basically how I do it. Okay, let's follow structure here quickly. So break of structure. This is the demand. Demand must now fail. So basically I want to see price break through this level, retrace, and retrace. So that could be the next point price will then react from. This was actually a beautiful market maker trap here. Beautiful market maker trap, because technically this is your support here. I mean your resistance. So this is technically where price pushed into. One rejection, two rejection, three rejections. Price breaks through, comes back here, breaks through, retests it, holds it the whole time. Price comes back, forms a higher high. What does that now mean? Price has to touch the support. So what did most people do? They bought here, stop below, or they bought in the closure, stop below. Market maker trap, buying the high of the day. The most the most trappy move out there. I would say a minimum of $15. I don't know, to like really give yourself like that room to breathe. $10 to $15. That's what I would do. If you guys need mentorship, if you guys want to learn to trade the strategy from mine, hit me up, let's talk, and I can show you guys exactly how I perceive the market, so that you can also catch the same trades that I do, the exact same way I do, with the exact same rules that I follow. Very mechanical, very psychological, but yet rule following. Quickly gonna run to the toilet. Maybe you guys can just move the market for us here quickly. Okay. Slushy says, Lance, it's way better than 9 to 5. Set your potential setups for the day and alerts, and then fuck around while in the middle while you wait. Exactly. Like literally, like this is what. So Jay Froneman actually taught me this. He taught me in order to be disciplined, you do this. Let's say price is trading, and let's say you have a zone over here. Just an example, okay? Let's say you have a zone over here. Now you want to buy from this point, but now you're watching the chart the whole time. What's gonna happen? You're gonna look at smaller time frames, and you're gonna see things like this. And you're like, oh, change of character. Let me look to sell this down. And now maybe in that moment when you sell down, the market does that. Then you get stopped out for no reason. So what happens is, you see what you do is you draw your zones, set an alert. Set an alert above the zone. So that way you walk away. You only come to your chart when price sets an alert, when prices reaches level. Now you know you are patient. You've waited for price to come to you. So now why rush it when you have to wait for that liquidity build up, so you can wait for your strike zone to basically strike from there. It's very psychological, this whole trading thing. Guys, let's bump up the likes. Let's break a record once again. Let's see what happened here. The price ran all the way to that low. Okay, so the market's a bit slow. Let's look at the other jump pairs quickly. Jump 75. Let's look at the overall trend. Trend looks bearish, but looks like we have picked up the liquidity that we need. Yeah, so I will have to wait on this. So Asian low has been swept. Interesting. Nah, this already happened. No, it didn't. Yo, it's quite a long way down. Oh, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not taking it. I'd maybe wait for something like this to happen. A high formed, pull back, and then I would consider taking it. Jeff giving away some valuable tips. Hope everyone taking notes. I'm definitely, that's the way. I don't know. My mentor always said, note takers are money makers. Slash. So no, man. I'm really locked in on the synthetics. I don't want to distract myself from anything, and it's been very great on synthetics. So, like I said, this is my babies. Did we look at jump 100? Jump 50, 25, volatility. Okay. The overall trend quickly. Yo, clearly we are bearish. No, so I can't do anything here yet. Can't do anything here because I'm bearish. So if you're under my mentorship, then you would see here, this is me following my rule. Price is bearish. Price broke below the box, so I can't take it. You guys would see on page basically under the Asian box session, the video last video I sent out, I gave you guys a cheat sheet there for structure and lining up your Asian session. Away slash away. Let's see what this is gonna do over here. I think actually over here what you can do is maybe refine it a bit. Just for a more extreme point. Hey Amina, hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And yeah. Done and dusted. Done and dusted. Yeah, we're just gonna see. Like I am done for the day, but if I can find one more setup, I wouldn't actually nee sê nie. I wouldn't say no. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, let's see. V75 still stuck in the range. Jump 75 moving. V25. What did we say we want to do here on V25? I think you guys were looking for sells. I think. Was it V25? Hey, what's your name? Andreas. I don't know. I hope I'm not butchering your name there. But I think you wanted to sell V25, ne? Nice, I mean, nice. Sold USDT. Beautiful. Beautiful. Glad we are all eating. Guys, let's see if we can get like 30 more likes. It's a lot to ask for. 30 more likes. Then we will at least like beat the record of the first stream. V50. Quite a long time to go. This is why I'm like, don't want to take it, man. The timing doesn't add up with the ticks. I'm also gonna see eventually to start getting some guests on the stream. So yeah, we'll see who we can get on. I already have someone in mind who I believe will share some very good value with you guys. I must just speak to him and see what he says, when he will be available, and when we can actually make some time to actually make it happen. Made $21 my demo, going to fund tomorrow. Must set up on USDT, was scared of the news. That's understandable. If you like Dion, The way I see it, ne? People have this thing that, oh, if you trade a demo account, you can't trade, you bad. Bro, if I feel like, if I don't trust the setup, ne? And I'm tempted, like damn, like I want to make money, and it's human nature. I mean, we human, we got, sometimes we have urges. Then I would literally take it, or let's even say sometimes I have this urge, man, to trade, but I know there's no setups. You know what I do? I open a demo account and I full margin that thing, whether it's blowing or winning. Then that urge is then taken out. So like you, for instance, having that fear, trading on a demo, you are now in a position where you have collected stats for that day, you know. So now you know on days like this, when there's news for USD and it's say a Tuesday, I mean a Monday. Now you know that if this happens, let's say for instance you collect your stats and you know every Monday in the beginning of a new month USD buys it as news. Then you have those stats which you can back your trades off, you know. So it's never a bad thing, and I'm actually proud of you for doing that, you know, because now you are also building that confidence and within yourself. So super proud of you, man. It's what the guys are saying. Oh, Ashwin killing it, yeah. Okay, let's see what the markets are doing. Let's see what the markets are doing. Look at that beautiful, beautiful reaction in that zone. So I will still want to see price take out those highs before looking to do anything. So I'm patient. I'm patient. Even if this spike, we look at over here, even if this is the one that caused the break of structure, I'll still be open for that retracement. Andreas, I closed jump. I took my profit on jump. I said it. I think everyone took their profit. We closed it right over here. Initially, like the plan is for it to continue dropping. The plan is for it to drop till here. But obviously now I saw this retracement coming in. So I expect price to pull back a bit and then basically drop. So whenever you see me on a chart and it's not as far wide dragged out, know that I'm out of that trade. All good, Andreas. All good, man. You guys see why I didn't trust it. Want to see a real change of character take place over here. It doesn't count. I didn't want to see a full candle closure, not a fractal. Not a fractal break. Let's quickly see something. Okay, let's see. We might get something. We might get something. So now can look at jump. It's not in our rules. Which one is it? 500. So initially from this level, I want to see this low be taken out over here. I want to see this be taken out and see price tap into the zone over here. And I'm gonna look for buys. So we're gonna wait here on crash as well. So Asian high is untested, so that's a target for us. Let me see what else here. Okay. Remember, this is the 1 minute, so this is all still in the range here. This is all just in the range. Let's see what this is gonna do. Guys, we only have 2 more subs to go. 2 more subs. And then we had 750 subscribers. Only 2 more to go. Then markets it happen. Only 2 more subs to go. Okay, still holding that range. Before we end the stream, we'll play a nice little banger that we all know, just to end it off with some vibes. Yeah, just give me a second to stretch. Let's see something. I know that there's a few of them. I know that there are others that I'm also looking at. I know they also have synthetic indices, but they only have these, so they're very limited. So also, if you guys don't know, that they've actually they actually outsource the markets as well. So yeah, we'll look into it. We'll look into it. Yo Nazim, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. Okay, slow. We're going slow. We're going slow. Yani Nazim at party min slani, party on slani. Question Andreas. Would you sell it? Would I sell jumped in again, knowing my bias? It depends. It depends. So what I want to see on jump is initially. So if you go back to the 1 minute. So now we look at the internal structure. So I spoke about internal structure multiple times in my teachings. So we can see clearly what price has been doing. So let's quickly do this. Let me just remove this quickly, and I'm gonna just clean this up. So if we look at what price is doing over here, you can see price forming a high, low, higher low, higher high, consolidated. Price broke through that level. There's not a lower low, because that is not per se a higher high. There's no full closure. then lower low, that's your change of character, pull back, lower high. This is now price forming your lower low. So that's a break of, so I usually want to see price, okay, so that's actually not a lower low. I want to see price break through this level. It must give a full closure below that level, because now taking the same thing is happening like there on top, just a double bottom. So it's either now the three, this becomes a whole zone of liquidity now. So now who is trapped, the buyers or the sellers? So if I could potentially see price do this, I could see price trade all the way down, break below this level, and then retrace into this zone, this fair value gap in that supply, then I would consider a sell to the downside again, yes. But there's a few things that must first happen. Must first wait for a few things to happen. Let's see if this will be marked out, will be that zone for us, for the price will skyrocket. Oh guys, we did it, we did it, we did it. We are finally at 750 subscribers. Thank you very much, man. I need a little horn like Chris now. I think to make it all fun, I'll do this. To celebrate 750k subs. $750k subs. Viva Vendetta, because our vision is empowerment. Our vision is empowerment. I hope you guys can see how I look here. But yeah, this is just a little something for the streams, so if we can add some vibes here. 750. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. I've been doing YouTube for almost 4 years. Well, more than 4 years. And we've got the most subscribers this year only. So massive thank you to each and every one of you guys. I'm so happy. Now I have to give you guys another signal. We have to force a trade now. But yeah, guys, 750. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Let's see over here what we're gonna get. It's been almost 50 minutes for 50 ticks. So actually, here's 50 minutes right over here. Let's see. Definitely, Nazim. More to come. Next stop, 1,000 subs. 1,000 subs. And then giveaway time, Vault Funder accounts, and I'll see what else I do. Slushy, JV, my brother, I'm out. G, stay safe and all the love, my brother. Send my regards to Kaylee. All good, man. Thanks, Slushy, appreciate it. I will definitely send her your regards. Make a liquor supper. Bless the tummies. Beautiful stuff. So I'm going to end the stream in 7 minutes. Let's see quickly how long we've been live. We've been live for an hour 50 minutes. So let's give it 10 more minutes and then a full 2-hour stream. We'll end the day there, and then tomorrow, once again, tomorrow morning 9 o'clock, we go live once again, and then yeah, we take it from there. We'll maybe even start earlier, 8:30, and I have like a 9:30, 10:30, 11, a 3.5 hour stream till 12. We'll see. But okay, I hope this isn't a copyrighted song. But let's get some vibes in here, just for the vibes. To celebrate 750 subs. Let's also hope that this is the vibes that pumps this thing up. All good, Nazim. All good. See you tomorrow, my man. But we're gonna keep on doing this, going live every day. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Not yesterday day. Okay. Oh, before we do anything like that now. Maybe let's look for one more song we can play for the vibes. For the vibes, for the vibes. But the question is now what can we play? What's a vibe I had the other day? Let me quickly look here. Guys. Let me look here. I don't want to play Afrikaans because no, man. Damn it! Why is it so hard to decide now? Oh, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this in memory of one of the people who always inspired me, and also for us to end off the stream with the motivational message. Yeah. Also guys, 5:30 right now, so around this times I don't take trades. Also on the riv, I only can now execute after 7 o'clock. So yeah, there won't be anything else on the table for me right now. Okay, lovely. So that was the marathon continues, and this marathon will continue. Remember guys, trading is a personal journey. So let's end off the stream here. Let's see if there we go. So yeah guys, once again, thank you so much for joining in. I really appreciate it. Words honestly can't describe how good this makes me feel, being able to do this for you guys. And just our win rate as well on the stream, it's been amazing. So really appreciate you guys for joining in. Thank you for all the likes, all the subs. It's not all about the likes and the subscribers. Obviously I'm doing this for myself, and these numbers will benefit me for potential deals in the future and stuff like that. You know, so I can't do this without you guys, and I think this is one thing many creators forget. Even though like we traders, we make this money and everything like that, it's fine, but we would not be as well known as we are if it's not for the people like yourselves who follow us, the people like you guys who we help, you know. So and it's the thing, money can't buy that. And this is one of the things I always talk about to people, is there's certain things in life money can't buy. And it goes back to this thing I always say, we can all agree that we live in the physical world where we can see, touch, hear, taste and smell. We can all agree on these things. We can all agree that we need money, but we can all agree that money is just a tool that helps us achieve the things that we want to achieve, but money is not everything. If you think about it this way, spiritual currency, what makes you rich in spirit? What do you do for people? You know, and like I said, I've done this for so long, and never if I ever felt like I must stop doing this, I must give up. I love it, man. I love working with you guys. And my main thing I always tell people is why I teach people. Yes, I charge my course. Speaking of that, if you guys need mentorship, the course is no longer 4,400. That special ended yesterday. Today is the first launch for the new course, which is when we fully release in August the 8th. It's 15,000 Rand, but it's early bird discount, so you can only pay 10,000 right now, only for this month. And I'm sorry, but I'm no longer going to feel sorry for people and things like that. I've done a lot for this industry. I feel like I've done so much and it's not noticed, especially also because, yeah, I don't have all the cars, I don't have all the money and things like that. So like people don't buy into the per se image, but it's not about that, you know. And the real will stay, the real will recognize. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So super grateful for you guys, and I would never stop doing this. Only way I'll stop doing this is if YouTube goes bankrupt and they crash for some reason, you know, something like that. But I'm here to stay now. Been consistent ever since we started, and we'll be much more consistent from tomorrow on. I'll give you guys more information tomorrow. I'm not sure if Chris maybe touched on this on their stream, but yeah, much love guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, either 8:30 or 9 o'clock. It all depends on when I get done. I want to sort out a few things in the morning, make sure that the stream starts off running smoothly without any problems. So yeah guys, much love, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.